Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on my channel we are going to be doing some cleaning, and more specifically we're going to be cleaning this stainless steel refrigerator. So it looks awful. I live someplace where it's very hot and humid, and so it's hard to keep stainless steel clean because it seems like there's always water spots from humidity, and then of course from people touching the fridge. You can see we've got fingerprints here. Right here we have a problem with water coming out of the bottom of the basin, so I'm actually going to take this out first. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove really tough water stains and watermarks as well as fingerprints and whatnot off your stainless steel using 3 different items. I'm doing 3 different items because everyone has a different preference when it comes to what cleaning products they want to use. Some of them natural, some of them not. So the first thing we're going to use is from Star Drops. It is the pink stuff, the Miracle Cleaning Paste. This is available off of Amazon. I will leave a link for everything I use in the description box below. The next thing I have is Amaze Clean and Green water stain remover. Again, something off of Amazon. Now this, when you order it, will come with a scrubbing pad. We are not going to be using this. You don't want to use any abrasive item on your stainless steel. Nothing grainy, gritty, none of that. So we're going to be using this with microfiber cloths. And then finally, the last thing I have is a Tor water spot remover. Removes water spots from glass, shower doors, windows, tile, porcelain, chrome, and more. Again, available from Amazon. I'm going to be applying these products with a very simple microfiber sponge. It has a scrubby side on the back. Again, we will not be using that for this video. We're just using the soft microfiber side. And for polishing the refrigerator after we're done, I am using the Weiman stainless steel cleaner and polish. It comes with a microfiber cloth, and whilst cleaning with these different products, I'm using different colored microfiber cloths so we can keep track of which product we're using and where. So for the Amaze natural water spot cleaner, I'm going to be using the blue microfiber. For the Tor water spot remover, I'm going to use yellow, and for the pink stuff, I'm going to use white. So I'm just going to get this lightly damp so that I can put on my paste. When you're working with stainless steel, you don't want a lot of water and moisture. So, and then I'm just going to scoop it straight out of the tub onto here. Again, with stainless steel, you do not want to do a rubbing motion. You can actually see on my refrigerator where it's scratched because somebody has done that. So you don't want to do a circular motion, and you don't want to go side to side or up and down. You want to make sure you're following the grain of your refrigerator. My specific grain is up and down. Your refrigerator, if you look at it, your grain might actually be side to side. Whatever it is, you want to follow the grain. So for me, I'm just going to start doing this, and when I do this, I'm only going about halfway down the refrigerator because you don't want to work in an area bigger than you can cover quickly. So because you don't want to leave any cleaning products on here for a long period of time. So I'm just taking this over. Make sure you get the sides. Going down, we'll deal with the handles later. And then going in with the microfiber cloth. Look at that. How crazy is that? If you see any streaks forming, take the time to massage them out. The more you buff, the less streaks there will be, the shinier it'll be, all of that. And there we go. Top part is looking pretty good. Okay, so I've now taken the time to thoroughly clean off my microfiber cloth, just because we are doing an experiment to show you guys which different pastes you can use how it works, all of that, we are going in with Amaze Clean and Green. And again, you don't need a lot, just get some on your sponge there, get a little bit more, and we are going in with the bottom half now. All right, and that one is done. You can see all the black marks on there. Crazy. I want to mention, if you do pick up the Amaze, there is a little paper circular tab in here. Keep it inside the lid so when you close it, it adds that extra layer of protection because it does dry out quite quickly. And finally, we're going in with the Attore Water Spot Remover. We're going to be doing this on this top section here because the bottom section is actually the worst part. So I'm going to decide after trying all of these out to see which one is best. I will say this is the least pleasant looking one. And it's much thicker. It's hard to scoop out. It's easier to actually just run your sponge along there and then crack on. Okay, now that side is done. Let's check the microfiber. I feel like out of all of these, the Attore did not work as well as I had hoped it would, so I'm definitely not going to be going in with that one. I feel like the pink stuff ended up lifting water stains and marks off better and was easier to remove than the Amaze. The Amaze is really nice. It is a natural product, but sometimes when you've put things off for too long, or you've just been busy and haven't gotten a chance to do something, you have no choice but to head for those more abrasive chemicals in order to get it clean again. And then once you get it clean, you can stick with the green products if you prefer them. So I'm just going to clean my microfiber cloth and go back in on the bottom with the pink stuff and see how it works. Because of how bad this side is, I'm actually going to use a bit more than I did before. Really get in there to help clean this. When you clean under the water areas, make sure you really get in there because look at all that buildup. Oh my gosh, how crazy is that? Now is the time to go ahead and clean your door handles just using what you've wiped off. You don't actually have to put a bunch on of the pink stuff, just using it on the microfiber cloth and going over will get the job done. You can also do the same on the inside. If you find anything that feels a bit much, just pull out that same microfiber sponge and go over it. Alright guys, and that's how you can really quickly and easily bring back a very damaged refrigerator. As you saw, mine was really awful looking. Another way is to just stay on top of it with the Weiman stainless steel cleaner polish. You can spray it on, wipe it off. If you did that, say, once a week, you would be okay. Mine has been months and months and months since I've worked on this, so I'm just gonna show you guys how this works. Okay, so we're just gonna shake it up and then wiping with the direction of the grain. And then fold your cloth over to a dry side and go back over it. Or you can pull out a whole new microfiber cloth if you really wanted to. And there we go, that is your stainless steel refrigerator done. Like I said, I will link everything down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If there's any specific video cleaning requests that you have, please leave them down in the comments below. As well as if you have any tips or tricks, please leave those down below as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!